Hello everyone, have a wonderful day to all of you. So we are here right now in our house building construction this afternoon, and today it's a bit quite hot, but which is good. It's not raining, so they can do the work in here, like a lot of improvement at this time. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the progress of our house building here in the province of Bohol. Let's see. As you can see here inside, they already finished tampering some of the rooms of each part of the house, guys, and then they fill up on the top with the gravel. We use the G1, it means number 1, like this big, the size of gravel or stone, and they are using this string for leveling, so it will be laid out and aligned. Yeah, so they've been working here for a few days already. They do first before the master bedroom and bathroom. No, not yet the bathroom, because they're gonna do the layout of the plumbing. Then after everything is done here, they do outside, especially in the garage area, but we left this one not yet done, but they tamper the soil already, but they don't put yet the gravel, since we need to let them do the plumbing for the piping, and when everything is get ready, we're gonna put the gravel. I guess we gonna need to add also some rebar. Yeah, so this one, when everything is put in, it will be ready for the pouring of concrete for the flooring here. And look at this, guys, on the top. So we have the Eric welding the trusses, and also he start putting on the C4 lens. C4 lens ba na dong, no? Yeah, on the top. So he worked this long span first, then after everything is get done, the things that he gonna do is the other part, the shorter one, then laying out all the metal roping in there, when everything, all the trusses being welded and put in place. So this one, guys, like as you can see, that bar, it is not included in the plan, but we add it, this 1, 2, so there are 2 beam of metal bar that we added to make it a bit stronger, especially when we are going to put in the ceiling. And yeah, we have a lot of materials that need to be bought, especially for our electrical. Like the electrician, when he come up here in our area, and he gave us the list of materials that we needed to buy when the time we go to Tagbilaran City. So let's walk in here and look at the guest room. Oh yeah, so they also finished putting some gravel in here, and also here. So every room has gravel on the top already, but the bathroom not yet, since we're gonna lay out some of the plumbing in there. And in here, guys, like outside, yeah, so they start digging some trench here, since we are going to put some pad, and this is the stairs in this area, and that one might be layout going down. So we have her, Brian and GC, working on the digging of the trench. They're always partner in crime. Ay, mga idol, oy, si hi. Marag nag-ana ba diha ang ramp. Ya, diri hagdanan. Ang din hinani siya pad. Diri, mga pila ra ka steps siguro patulog. Ano jud ni? Taas-taas man. They are still digging up until there maybe yeah, they just do first in front, I guess. And here also guys, in this side nearby our master bedroom. Pila ko nagilag mo na dong?
1 feet.
1 feet? So it is 1 feet deep to its original soil. Oo, aron day siya mo slide. Paila na punig hollow block.
Oh.
So after here, this one being dig, they're gonna prepare this one for piling up of CHB. In here, in the kitchen area, we already talked about that. We're gonna have an island in the middle. And then in here, it's like a countertop, like L shape. And we might add something like a breakfast bar over there. If there is enough space. Yeah. And we have already the double sink. Since I like it, a double sink. Especially if we have a lot of dishes that we need to wash. So I'm walking down here guys, nearby the garage or the dirty kitchen area. We have her Noidoni also digging for the trench for the piping. Para man sa pipe na no? Yeah. He's digging this one for the preparation for where we place the piping, put it underground. Nindot siya gyuta, oh. And look at this manhole with cover already guys. So this part has a two manhole. Because and the septic tank, there is a two division inside. One is for the waste and like the poop, or excuse me about that, and one is for the water. Well, it's getting there, and they already started to continuing on chipping some of the area where we put our electrical wiring, like the outlet, the switch where we're gonna put in, and also the panel board. Quite hot today. Yeah. Oh. Okay guys, so that is for today. Thank you everyone. Please to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. God bless and stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe.